In this video, I will show you how to delete all Instagram posts. Now, let's say you want to delete your Instagram post. All you have to do is to tap on your profile icon right here, and then you just have to scroll down. Now, let's say you want to delete this post right here. All you have to do is to click on this three dots right here, and then click on delete. You can see right here. To be honest, you can delete all Instagram posts that you have. Unfortunately, though, you can't really do it all at once or in one time go, because Instagram doesn't have this feature that lets you select all the posts and then makes you delete it all at once. So in order for you to delete all your Instagram posts, all you have to do is to tap on each and every post right here and then click on the three dots right. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please give a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!